Hello everyone again. So I'm just doing harvesting my crops at the minute, and I'm in my harvester harvesting, and soon I'm gonna send it to the silo. I'm just gonna finish harvesting in a minute. I'm gonna finish up in a minute.